Fact number 1. Women and men dream differently. Researchers have discovered that men and women have distinct differences in the types of the dreams they have. They found that men significantly dream more about weapons, and women have more content in their dreams about clothing. Women tend to dream slightly longer with more characters in their dreams. Men are more likely to dream about other males than women who tend to dream of the sexes equally. Men's dreams are more aggressive in nature and have a greater likelihood of dreaming about physical activity. Women's dreams tend to have more conversation and greater emotional content, with dreams about exclusion and rejection more likely. Women are more likely to have a sexual dream and have a greater tendency to have nightmares. Fact number 2. Your dreams can be controlled. Lucid dreaming is the term for controlling your own dreams. If you've ever had a dream where you're aware you're asleep, you've experienced a lucid dream. It's thought to be a combination of both REM sleep and consciousness. During a lucid dream, you can usually control and direct the content of your dream. It's believed if you're a video gamer, you might be more likely to have them, as you'll have experience viewing your character outside its body. For the mind, it will be like controlling the character in the video game. If you'd like to boost your chances of having a lucid dream, it's thought that occasionally testing a light switch during your waking life can cause you to do the same in your dream state. It's hard for your brain to convincingly recreate the turning on of a light in your dream, and it's believed that this can be one way to help trigger lucid dreams. Fact number 3. Dreams can help us solve problems. Most people can relate to deciding to sleep on a problem they can't find a solution to during the day. It's thought that sleep may actually help us work through puzzles and problems in our lives. The theory is the illogical and visual nature of dreams can help assist out-of-the-box problem solving during sleep. While you're asleep, your brain is still working over the same problems that have just puzzled you during the day. So sleep isn't just there to rest and recharge us. It can be a process where the mind can work through various issues that have plagued us during the day. Fact number 4. People who are blind can dream visually. A research study has found people who have been blind all their life are still capable of dreaming visual dreams. They also can experience rapid eye movements, which are a sign of visual dreaming. In the study, they found that they had less REM movements than the participants who were sighted. The blind from birth participants still reported experiencing dreams with visual imagery and dream sensations. Fact number 5. Interpreting your dreams can be straightforward. Interpreting dreams doesn't have to be a complex process. Dreams can often give us clues to our unfulfilled desires. Flying dreams are thought to be about our wish to be free. A dream where you discover a new room in your house can be about a desire for a new opportunity in life. The vast majority of common dreams have a good, plausible explanation to them. The common dream of being followed or chased can be about an issue that you're avoiding during the daytime. A good tip to remembering and interpreting your dreams is to get a notepad and keep it next to your bed. You can then jot the dream down as soon as you wake, while the fleeting memory of it is still fresh in your mind. You could even sketch them out so you can also capture the visual memory of them. Fact number 6. Dreams can boost your physical and mental state. For optimal health, it's crucial to get a good night's deep sleep. If you're someone who often experiences suddenly being startled just before falling asleep, it could be a bad sign for your health. Researchers studied participants who were made to wake up just before entering a deep state of sleep. They found that these individuals had higher levels of anxiety, depression, and tension. They were also found to gain weight, had problems concentrating, and in some cases, experienced hallucinations. Fact number 7. Your future behavior can be influenced by your dreams. It may seem surprising, but dreams can have a significant impact on our future behavior. 182 individuals from Boston were surveyed to research the link between dreams and behavior. Participants were asked to imagine a threat of a national terror attack. A group of participants were asked to imagine the trauma of being aboard a plane that was crashing. A second group was asked to try imagining a dream about their plane crashing. Surprisingly, those that dreamt of their plane crashing had the same anxiety level to the group who imagined being involved with a real plane crash. So, a traumatic dream may influence your emotions and behavior in your waking life, both good and bad. However, dreams shouldn't be treated as premonitions. Just because you dream of winning the lottery, unfortunately, there's no guarantee you'll win the fortune. Fact number 8. It's perfectly normal to forget your dreams. It's incredibly common for people to not recall dreams. Individuals who don't remember their dreams will often believe that they don't have dreams at all. According to a report from Live Science, most people who don't recall them still in fact dream. The hippocampus, which is responsible for moving short-term memories into long-term memories, may often be slow to wake up when we awake from sleep. Due to this, the short-term memory of your dream will often not get kept as a long-term memory. Some types of neurotransmitters in our brains can also be responsible for us not recalling our dreams. These neurotransmitters have an important role in memory recall. The levels of these can take a dip while we're asleep. This can all contribute to us forgetting our dreams when we wake up. You may be wondering how you can boost your ability to remember your dreams. Tip number 1, wake naturally without using an alarm clock. Tip number 2, when you wake up, immediately lie still with your eyes shut and try to actively search your memory. And tip number 3, remember to keep a pen and paper next to the bed so you can immediately jot down your memories. Fact number 9, when dreaming, you can't read. You may have seen a sign in a dream or something that looked like words written down. If you look close up, you'll see that there's an absence of letters or they will be jumbled up and unreadable. Much of the brain's intellect and logic goes into a hibernation-like state while we are asleep. This means our ability to read text or even read a clock face goes out of the window while we are sleeping. This also affects our ability to view ourselves in the mirror. You'll often see just a blur or strangely even see someone completely different instead. Despite this, we can still understand and interpret ideas from our dreams. Most people can understand the gist of what is being said to them in dreams, but we can't pinpoint or read the exact words used specifically. Fact number 10. Some people only dream in black and white. It's thought as much as 12% of people dream only in black and white, with the rest dreaming in full color. Multiple studies have been conducted on dreamers where the participants are woken up and asked to choose colors from a chart. Most often, pastel colors were chosen, but some reported a complete absence of color. The studies also found you're more likely to dream in black and white if you're over 55. While the exact number of people dreaming without color differs between studies, it is thought that 25% of people over 55 are having monochrome dreams. It was also shown that it's extremely uncommon for someone under 25 to dream in anything other than color. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of facts about dreams and much more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos of psychology tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care!